India is a global hub for conferences, exhibitions, and international collaborations. With its rapidly growing economy, thriving industries, and diverse culture, the country attracts thousands of business professionals, academics, and entrepreneurs each year who come to attend conferences, seminars, and meetings that foster innovation, partnership, and business growth. For those planning to attend a conference in India, applying for a traditional visa could be time-consuming and cumbersome. That's where the India Conference e-visa comes into play. The India Conference e-visa offers a fast, convenient, and affordable way for international travelers to attend conferences and seminars in India without the hassle of applying for a regular visa. In this ultimate guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know about the India Conference e-visa, what it is, how it works, why you need it, how to apply, and all the benefits it provides. By the end of this guide, you will be ready to embark on your conference journey to India with ease. Subscribe for more adventures. What is the India Conference e-visa? The India Conference e-visa is an electronic visa that allows foreign nationals to travel to India for attending a conference, seminar, or meeting. Unlike a traditional business visa or tourist visa, the conference e-visa is specifically designed for individuals traveling for educational, professional, or corporate events in India. The India Conference e-visa is an online application process that enables visitors to bypass the often lengthy and cumbersome process of applying for a traditional visa. Once approved, the e-visa is delivered electronically via email, making it a quick and efficient way for professionals to gain access to the country for short-term purposes. Key features of the India Conference e-visa, valid for up to 60 days. The conference e-visa typically permits travelers to stay in India for a maximum of 60 days from the date of arrival. Multiple entries. For most nationalities, the e-visa allows for multiple entries during its validity, allowing flexibility for attendees traveling to multiple conferences or events. Easy and quick application process. The entire application process is done online and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Fast approval. The India Conference e-visa is usually processed within 3 to 5 business days, which is ideal for travelers with tight schedules. No need for embassy visits. Unlike traditional visas, the India Conference e-visa eliminates the need for embassy visits and long waiting times. How does the India Conference e-visa work? The India Conference e-visa is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. The process of obtaining this visa is quick and easy, and here's how it works. Before you apply for the India Conference e-visa, it's essential to check if your nationality is eligible for this type of visa. The Indian government offers e-visa services to citizens from over 150 countries. The conference e-visa is generally available to those attending conferences, seminars, meetings, or workshops in India, and some countries may have additional restrictions. Ensure that you meet the requirements, which include a valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your date of arrival in India. Purpose of visit. The primary reason for your visit should be attending a conference, meeting, or seminar. If your trip involves additional activities like tourism, the India Conference e-visa might not be suitable. The application process. To apply for the India Conference e-visa, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the official India e-visa website. Start by visiting the official Indian government e-visa portal at https://indianvisaline.gov.in/e-visa/. This portal allows you to fill out the necessary forms for the conference e-visa. Step 2. Complete the online application form. Fill out the online application form by providing essential personal information, passport details, and the purpose of your visit. You'll be required to include full name as in your passport, passport number, and issuance details, date of arrival in India, the name of the conference or event you're attending, the name and address of the conference organizers. Step 3. Upload required documents. After filling out the application form, you will need to upload a few documents. Typically, the following documents are required. A scanned copy of your passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months from your date of arrival. A recent passport-sized photograph. This photo should meet the specifications outlined on the e-visa website. Conference details. You may be asked to provide an invitation letter or confirmation of your participation in the conference or seminar. Other supporting documents. Depending on the nature of the event, you may need to provide additional documents related to the conference. Step 4. Pay the application fee. Once you have completed the form and uploaded your documents, you will need to pay the application fee. The fees for the India Conference e-visa typically range between $10 to $80, depending on your nationality and the duration of your stay. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your application and payment, the India government will process your e-visa. The processing time generally takes 3 to 5 business days, but it can vary depending on the volume of applications. Most travelers receive their approved e-visa within this time frame. Step 6. Download your e-visa. Once your e-visa has been approved, you will receive an email containing your e-visa approval. You can download it as a PDF file and print it out, or keep a digital copy on your phone. Step 7. Arrival in India. Upon arrival in India, you will need to show both your e-visa and passport to the immigration authorities. If all the information matches, you will be granted entry into India. Why you need the India Conference e-visa. The India Conference e-visa offers a range of benefits for international conference attendees. Here's why you should consider applying for the India Conference e-visa when planning your business trip to India. 1. Convenience and time saving. The most significant advantage of the India Conference e-visa is the convenience it offers. Rather than going through the traditional visa application process, which often requires visits to consulates, lengthy paperwork, and long wait times, the e-visa can be applied for from the comfort of your home or office. With just a few clicks, you can complete the entire application process online. 2. Speedy processing. The India Conference e-visa is processed quickly, typically within 3 to 5 business days. If you're in a rush to attend a conference, this rapid processing time ensures that you don't have to wait weeks to receive your visa. 3. Affordable. The fees for the India Conference e-visa are quite affordable, especially when compared to the costs and delays associated with traditional visa applications. It is an excellent option for those who need to travel to India for conferences but want to avoid spending too much on visa-related expenses. 4. Multiple entries. For conference attendees who may need to travel in and out of India multiple times for various business or conference events, the India Conference e-visa allows for multiple entries. This flexibility ensures that your visa remains valid for all the events you may need to attend during its duration. 5. No need for a physical visa. Another advantage of the India Conference e-visa is that you don't need to worry about visiting the Indian embassy to have a visa stamped in your passport. The e-visa is an entirely electronic visa, meaning you can easily apply online and receive approval digitally. 6. Simple application process. The application process for the India Conference e-visa is straightforward. With easy-to-follow steps, you can complete your application without confusion or frustration. The user-friendly interface guides you through the process, making it a stress-free experience. 7. Access to India's expanding conference scene. India is home to a variety of international conferences, exhibitions, and events in industries like technology, education, business, healthcare, and more. The India Conference e-visa is the ideal solution for attendees who wish to engage with India's ever-growing conference ecosystem. Whether it's a tech conference in Bengaluru, a medical seminar in Mumbai, or a business expo in New Delhi, this e-visa offers seamless entry to these events. How to apply for the India Conference e-visa. Applying for the India Conference e-visa is a simple step-by-step process. Visit the India e-visa portal. Go to https://indianvisaonline.gov.in/e-visa/. Complete the application form. Provide details such as your full name, passport details, and the conference you are attending. Upload documents. Attach a passport scan, photograph, and conference invitation letter. Pay the application fee. Use your credit or debit card to pay the processing fee. Wait for approval. The India government will process your application and send you your e-visa via email. Download and print your e-visa. Once approved, download and print your e-visa for your travel. Travel to India. Present your printed e-visa and passport to immigration authorities upon arrival. The India Conference e-visa provides a fast, convenient, and affordable solution for international travelers attending conferences, seminars, workshops, and meetings in India. The ease of applying online, the quick processing time, and the affordability make it the go-to option for conference attendees. Whether you're planning to attend a cutting-edge tech conference, an international business expo, or a medical seminar, the India Conference e-visa allows you to travel hassle-free. By following the easy application steps and taking advantage of the many benefits this visa offers, you can focus on making the most of your conference experience in India. Subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels!